Kabutokiro Jubilees here. I want to show you about wrappers. So this is the price of printing only here, and this is the price of the aluminum foil. This is very small one, like shampoo sachet, and there it is. This is the printing only. So this is the price of the sachet. This is the fine printing, which is we are using. The fine printing is with laser print, and we have best aluminum foil because they do not wrinkle. Our aluminum foil do not wrinkle easily. So this is to show you about our product, which is this. The price of this coffee one each is lesser than 500 rupiah, while the printing and the sachet aluminum foil sachet itself is already priced around about 500 rupiahs. And plus, if you buy 20 of them, you will get one dragon blood glasses handmade. The glass is handmade and made with dragon blood glass, and that's the glass. This is comical here. So this is dragon blood glass. Well, too bad the internet erased the history of dragon blood glass, which is supposed to be here.
Sheer sculpture,
this
an
is
object
how
that's functional
they
or
made
decorative or both. Blown glass can be glass, comes from this bland, lumpy stuff. This is silica, a natural material derived from sand, mixed with thinners and stabilizers such as potassium and limestone. The glass blower recycles any leftover colorless glass, then loads the mix into the melting furnace. After 12 hours at fusion temperature, 1200 degrees Celsius, the raw material transforms into colorless liquid glass. The glass blower uses a blowpipe, a long steel tube with a ring or pear-shaped end, to collect what's called a gather, a glob of this red-hot molten material. To color the gather, she quickly rolls it in finely ground colored glass. At this stage, the glass is honey-like in consistency, though it's cooling and thickening by the second. She fuses the color layer by reheating the glass for a few seconds in a smaller furnace called a glory hole. Next, she rolls the glass against a ladle-shaped block to form a starting shape for blowing. A gentle blow or two bulges it into a hollow bubble. By now, the cooling glass has thickened to the consistency of caramel, making it more controllable and shapeable. The glass blower stretches and shapes the glass with different blocks and hand tools. The glass is like hardened caramel now and holds its final shape. She scores the glass where it meets the blowpipe, then cools it further with compressed air. On the opposite end of the glass, with a bit of hot glass, she attaches a solid metal maneuvering rod called a pontil. Then she applies a single drop of cold water on the score line to crack and break the glass off the blowpipe. Using another pontil, she plugs the resulting hole with hot glass. Then it's back to the melting furnace to attach a gather. It's critical to always rotate the glass so that it doesn't droop and become lopsided. The glass blower shapes this gather not with a block, but by hand. She protects herself from the intense heat by using a thick stack of soggy newspapers. Using an ordinary pair of scissors, she forms ridges. Then she twists the ridges to spiral them. She cools and hardens the finished design using compressed air. Then it's a quick blast in the glory hole to equalize the temperature throughout the piece. This blown glass lemon reamer has taken all of 8 minutes to make. Now it goes into an electric kiln for a slow 12-hour cool down to prevent cracking. Meanwhile, the glass blower starts a new piece, a large vase.
Well, that's about it.
Blowing, more shaping.
Then, well, this is the only dragon blood glass exists. The glass is made with something, it's special coloring. The color will be red and others like blue. As you can see, it's hacked over here and everywhere, so you cannot find it. It's an ancient culture knowledge which is erased by society today. It's such a shame. Wikipedia had it before. This is one of it. And there are more over here. There. This is dragon blood cup. So this is the only way they mention it today, with the green. Well, these are our glass. 1, 2, there. This is other one. Let me show you the difference. Okay. So this is dragon blood and it's handmade because the difference is this is crystal. This is from this product. I bought it only for 9,000 or 9,500, not 11. So this is glass. Handmade glass. This is glass. This is also glass, but this factory made. Look at the gathering over here. It's a cut over here. This is molded with, but this is crystal. Look at the blue. This is the mark of crystal. It's not just a glass, it's a crystal glass. Okay, but it's factory made because it has here slit over here. There. This is dicatak. Well, this is blown just like that, and this is the mark of dragon blood here. This is blown, then there it is. Well, this coffee is only 500. This is not the top coffee I had. This is ABC, but inside it's the same. Just this is a lousier wrap because it's, look, it's wrinkled and it's easily wrinkle if you smash it like that. While the top coffee is better, which is not existing here. I cannot find any, but this is still the same what's in it. This using honey. So they call it gula bee ang yang. Bee is honey. So we use honey for our sugar. Therefore, the taste is like honey sweet coffee. So for once I said, do not use this glass. Do not. It will be too sweet. You have to use this glass, because if you use that glass, it will be too sweet. Okay, it will be too sweet if this one. If you like it very sweet, then use that glass, that cup. But as for me, I like it this one because, as I said, the sugar made from honey. Biang. The color itself is black. The color is bright black and it's fast at cooking, so it has actually instant coffee in it. We like to everybody, it has instant coffee in it. So the color is directly black and very thick, very thick coffee and black, while the fake coffee has a red color. Look how it is fastly cooked. There it is, it's cooking and it's cooking. So as you can see, this is good coffee color, which is black. Well, this one is red. This is black, this is red. This is fake. Again, this one is red. But for our product, we pack it at home, not at factory. So our product are separate from the factory made. So we will distribute our homemade wrappings to just chosen ones. Kabuto Kira 17 out.